How to make a cool intro for YouTube. First things first, I'm gonna be using CapCut to do the editing. Now, for you to be able to do this method, you have to download first a template of any of those websites that you know. So you'll just have to download a template or a background that has effects in it, and then from CapCut, all you have to do is just add a text. Now let's go ahead and start. Just pull up your CapCut and then click Create Project. Now from here, you'll just have to import all those files, your template file, for you to be able to make this as your background. So this is my sample background. Okay. And then so what we're going to do is we'll just add text above it. So just click on text right here and then click and drag the default text. So let's just customize the text first. It's gonna be testing. And then let's play. And from here, you can go ahead and click and drag on which part of the video you want the text to be inserted. Like for this one example, if this one's too early, you can like move it a little back. Okay, let's move it back further. So what we're doing right now, we are currently timing in the white powder right here. All right. And then so once you have positioned your text appropriately, we'll have or we'll add animation to it. So just for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the very basic animation, which is fade in. There you go. So let's go ahead and play it from the top. There you go. So that's how you make a cool intro for your YouTube channel.